Hello and welcome back to Training Wild Burros. Today's video we're going to be working with Joker, which I'm working with here, introducing leading to him. Next we're going to move on to Blackjack, and then last but not least we're going to work with Romeo and Juliet. So if you've ever wondered how to go about training your donkey, whether it's wild or domestic, you're in the right place. I take all these steps with any animal I'm training, and how fast I go just depends on the animal and how well they are able to accept all the new things I'm going to show them. Now what I'm doing with Joker right now is just trying to get him to turn towards the lead rope. And I just want him to really get an understanding of what to do. And you can see he's pretty resistant right now. Later on, this leading training is going to turn into some other stuff. So you're going to want to keep watching further videos for more training ideas of how I go about getting stuff done. When I first start putting that lead rope on, I just want him to turn or give me one step in the right direction. So when I first start leading, it's not going to be a lot of movement. To begin with, we're really just trying to help them understand what the whole purpose is of this halter and lead rope. A lot of petting and reassurance to your donkey will go a long ways with helping them know they found the right answer. Maybe you're not at this spot with your donkey yet. Maybe you're still having trouble getting a halter on, or even having them okay with touching them. And if so, guys, I've been there. I've been in this spot. I bring home a lot of wild donkeys, and I've also trained a lot of domestics. So keep watching, because we're also going to have Romeo and Juliet that we work with, just teaching them to accept touch. So here again, I'm working on just getting a step. And he's not offering it really. So pretty soon I'm going to step back to help him turn away. Just going around in circles is a great way to start this process. And then later on, we're going to introduce just teaching them to follow the loose lead rope. Now we always want to quit in a good spot. And you're going to see here, he's going to pull away. I'm not going to punish this or anything when he starts to pull away. I'm just going to try to do better next time. This happens to all of us sometimes. They'll just really put their head down and go against with what we want. Right there, I was trying to get it, so I'm releasing that lead rope on a good note, but he pulled away, and I'm not going to keep fighting it. I want to make this a good experience for him. Now we've moved on to Blackjack, and you can see he's already farther along with leading, at least today, guys. And again, we're just kind of going in circles, trying to help him understand what I want. You can see that there's a loose lead rope there. I'm not pulling and tugging on them. Did you know that sometimes donkeys are used to halter train horses? If you have one that's troubled, they put a collar around their neck, the donkey's neck, and attach the lead rope to it. And the donkey will teach that horse to lead. We don't want to have a pulling match with them. The donkey would win every time with that pulling match, even against a bigger horse, guys. So go slow, offer that release whenever you can, and have fun with your donkeys. That's why we do this. Pretty soon here, you're going to see Blackjack kind of just turn the other direction, and all I do is wait. Patience is so key when you're training a wild donkey or any donkey. They are amazing. So there he's turning away. He says, I don't know if I want to come with you right now. And I'm not going to pull and do a tug of war match. I'm just going to wait it out. Again, you're going to want to keep watching for more videos as I start introducing to the donkeys, not introducing the lead rope and being led, but actually teaching them to follow the loose lead rope will be upcoming.
Good. You did such a good job. Yeah, good job.
This is Juliet. We're working on target training to prepare to pick up her feet. Her backing up is just nerves, so let's start with something she's comfortable with. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep, and then pay. Now, when I have 2 in here, I don't normally work with 2 in here, but when I do, I just go back and forth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep. Now, with Romeo, he'd been really nervous about me touching his leg with the long brush, but if I just do 1 or 2 swipes, I can normally do it without him moving. Juliet, you're all sprawled out, aren't you? Now here, I'm going to ask for her foot, and I just got to wait for it. Now notice when I say the word, her ears, deet. Look at how her ears, she just goes to me. She knows she's getting pay right now. And she's willing to work for food. Now he says it's his turn. Are you ready? Nose. Deet. That's a big deal for him. So Romeo went backwards when we went too fast with him. And so now we're really backing up and going slower. Foot. Then you're waiting and waiting and waiting. Foot. Deet. So there, when she starts to back up, I am going to come with the brush to meet her knee. And later on, I'll ask her not to move while she's doing it. Now, I haven't done it on this side, but the way they're at, we might as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, whoops. Now you just have to start over. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deet. All right, now Juliet. Foot. Now again, if she doesn't understand it all the way yet, so if she picks up her foot, I'm going to come with a brush to meet her foot, her knee. This is creating comfort for them to be able to pick up their feet and have us handle them. And at first, it's always going to be on accident. There she goes. Deet. Did I get your nose? Whoops. Oh, do you want some just for hitting your nose? I didn't mean to hit your nose. All right, so these guys both are in dire need of having their feet trimmed, so that's why we're working on this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deet. And they're at different stages. I'm not asking him to touch it. I can show you what happens, though. I did do it once yesterday to see what he would do. Foot. We're going to know they're calm and comfortable and they understand when they just simply pick up their foot to touch their knee to the long brush. This is considered target training. Foot. Now, if you wait for too long, you can just help them understand the body parts, but there she goes. Oh, come on, pick it up. You can do it. So I'm just really watching careful, so when she does pick it up, I can touch it. Deet. Look at her ears, how she just goes straight to me. She's like, I know I'm getting paid for that. Okay, now let's see what happens with Romeo if I just touch his knee. Foot. Nothing today.
A little tiny foot. What did he do yesterday?
He jumped back. He was terrified yesterday. Foot. Deet. So just brushing his legs is really adding to his comfort.
Okay.
Now this one over here is forward, so this would be the better one to choose. Foot. Now these two guys, don't they look alike? Deet. They are born in different states. They're from different HMAs, but they look like they could be related. They're both just so gorgeous. Thanks for tuning in, guys, to watch along with us the training journey of the 7 Tails of the 7 Tails. Don't forget there's a playlist so you can see lots of their different videos of their training journey, and hit that like and subscribe button. The little bell will let you know whenever I do release videos. Have an awesome day.